What'd you find?
Yeah.
You said there was nothing new here.
He's thinking orange thoughts.
That's the Flavors of Florida, Disney Springs. Special Orange Bird, over 1,000 views collection. Look, they got Flower and Garden Festival, they redid. They even got the Feeling Happy one. My soap and my cup. Ooh. That looks like the one you got me for my birthday, huh?
It does.
What's inside?
Oh.
Little orange bird. This is only for Flavors of Florida.
That means it's not going to be
This
here.
came out on June 27th is when this came out, yeah, on my birthday. This is very limited edition. It's only till August 9th is when it ends. There he is. Sam, aka the Orange Bird. This is the Orange Bird collection. So they basically took some stuff from Flower and Garden, like this stuff, and then mixed it in with two new things, which is this right here and this right here. How much is the bag?
90.
90 bucks. How much for my plushie?
$29.99.
Wow, he's really nice. Orange Bird, lounge flies. Remember when you said the Orange Bird is on its way out? Looks like he's here. That is the Orange Bird section. Well, look, it's 2 for $10 now for the soap.
Oh, wow.
I think it's on its way out.
It is?
How much you bought those like a couple of years ago?
They were $12.
$12 last time. And they got my Orange Bird cup too.